Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm here. I'm teacher Chow from EDU Mandarin, Taman Melawati, KL, Malaysia. Welcome everyone again to join us. Okay, today I got a good news for everyone, especially for those who have planned to learn Mandarin. Maybe in the end of last year, they got the plan resolution for this year is to learn Mandarin. But until now, today already October, almost end of October. Have you done it? Yes or no? If no, not worry. So we have a good news for those people. This time we are going to have a new intake for the online group class. This is for beginner. This one we call it level 1 part 1. It's totally beginner, or maybe you have learned some but not so good. So you wish to improve it and you wish to learn it in a systematically way. Okay, today I bring you to this good news. This is our new intake for level 1 part 1. For Mandarin beginner learner. So the class for this intake, the class will be on every Tuesday. This time is every Tuesday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Every Tuesday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, and we have tentatively, we have set the date. We plan to start it on 14th of November. 14th of November, and this module is a 10 hours module. So in this module, we are going to learn, teacher will teach you about the Mandarin phonetic system, Pinyin. So we'll teach you the stroke and the stroke order, the writing system, of course not the recognizing character. So we just give you the introduction and numbers and so on. So in this module, you also will be able, after this module, will be able to grade people, to tell people your name, your occupation, and your nationality, and how old are you, of course. Okay. How to register for this course, and how much is it, the fees? Actually, the fees is very affordable. Everybody can make it. So for this 10 hours module course, it costs only you 250 only. 250. That means for each hour, we only charge you as low as 25 ringgit. So everyone afford to make it. Okay, how can you register for this course? Easy, very, very, very easy and convenient. You just click the WhatsApp link for this post. Okay, I'll show it there. So you just click it, and then you can go for your registration, and you can make your payment. You can bank in direct, or you can pay touch and go as well. So hope to see you all in our coming November intake for this online group class level 1 part 1 for all beginners. 好的，谢谢大家，再见。就借着月光。